Hey everybody, in this video we're going to be going over the best and most affordable softbox lighting kit on the market right now for YouTube. These two behind me are the Emart 1000 watt softbox lighting kit. They are currently on sale and sitting at $54.99, which I am really jealous of because I had just purchased it for $66.99 myself. So if I had just waited a couple weeks, I would have got it at this price. If you would like to purchase this, I'll make sure to leave the link down in the description below where you can go right to the Amazon page. So yes, it does come with two softbox lighting kits in just one purchase, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to be doing a review on just one of them so that the other one provides the lighting. Okay, so to start off, you can obviously tell that the lighting is much better. Obviously, it would be much better if this one was standing over here and it was actually facing right at me. But for the most part, it is pretty good. So does it provide good lighting? Yes, absolutely. And something that I really like about this is that once you have it on, it actually takes away the shadows that normally are behind you. As you can see, there's not really any shadow that's behind me that you get from a normal ceiling light or a lamp. And it just makes your shot look so much more professional with these softbox lighting kits. So the stand itself, it is made of aluminum. It does seem pretty durable at the start, but I feel like if you bump into it or if you accidentally knock it over, it will actually get damaged and probably bend. It does come with 3 safety legs and they're really easy to set up, and they just make for an overall really sturdy light stand. And that is really helpful, especially when it comes to this light box, because what I've noticed is that it is really top heavy. So just make sure that when you're setting up the legs, you do have a pretty wide base to avoid the top heaviness actually falling over and knocking things down. Okay, so let's talk about some of the features that come with the softbox itself. Something that I really do like about it is that it comes with a switch. You don't have to worry about just plugging it in and taking the plug out every single time you want the light to come on. Having that manual switch is really beneficial, especially when you're recording. The switch itself, I've had no problems with in these last 2 weeks of using it, and it does seem to be made of pretty durable material. Next, something that's also really cool about it is that the height is adjustable. It can range from about 2.5 feet all the way up to 7 feet. So height really shouldn't be a problem. Now, if you want to record something that's really low, then what you can do is actually tilt the top of the screen and point it down. As for the latches themselves that are holding up the softbox and that are holding up the height, I would say be careful with them. I've noticed that if you do twist too much, they seem like they'll probably snap. So just be really careful with them. But apart from that, it's a really good lighting box. As for the actual softbox itself, it doesn't get really hot. I can just stand right here next to it and you don't feel any heat coming off of it, which is a really huge plus when it comes to filming these close-up videos, especially if you're doing something like makeup or anything that just has to be up close. You don't want to have your camera recording you constantly sweating and dripping sweat. And that's something that I really wanted to research before I bought these. I wanted to make sure that they weren't going to get really hot because my room already does get hot enough as it is. I didn't want to add something more just to make it worse for me. As for the light bulbs themselves, they are pretty safe to use. As I said, they don't get really hot, so you don't have to worry about them overheating and possibly sparking or anything like that. And even in the occasion that they do have flame retardant, so you shouldn't be too worried about it. The light bulbs themselves are set to last over 8,000 hours. And as of right now, when I recorded my videos, I usually last, like I said, 30 to 40 minutes. So reaching those 8,000 hours is going to be quite a long time from now. Something that I really like with Emart is that for all their products, they do have a 12-month warranty. And it's just really nice to have that peace of mind knowing that if one of these soft boxes do malfunction, they're going to be there to exchange it and give you a new one. I'm sure you guys can see a clear difference from the beginning of the video to now. You can see how much the lighting improves just because of these two soft boxes that I have set up. I strongly recommend that you guys do purchase these, especially if you're just starting out on YouTube. On sale right now at $54.99. You cannot beat this. As I said, the link to buy these will be down in the description, so make sure you head over to Amazon and buy them. Now, if you want to see me unboxing these and setting them up, make sure you click the top link. If not, check out one of my other videos by clicking on the bottom video link. Subscribe by clicking on the circle, and I'll see you all in the next video.